We've been taking a look at the metric system in math, and the metric system is based on the basic units of meter, which is used to measure length. A meter is about the size of a doorway. Grams, which is used to measure mass or weight, and a gram is about a couple of paper clips or a paper clip. And liter, which is used to measure liquid volume or capacity. A liter is about a large water bottle. So we came up with, these are the base units, and then there are prefixes for all of them. A kilo is 1,000, so a kilometer is 1,000 meters. Hecto is 100, so a hectometer is 100 meters. Deca means 10, so decameter is 10 meters, and then the meters are basic unit. Decimeter is a tenth of a meter. Centimeter is a hundredth of a meter, and a millimeter is a thousandth of a meter. So we came up with this phrase, or we didn't come up with it, but King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. To remember these, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. We also worked on converting measurements, for example, from kilometers. So if we had 25 kilometers, km, and we wanted to convert that to meters. We learned from going to the right, we move the decimal place, which would be here if we had one, to the right, the same number of units moved over to the right here. So kilo to meter is 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So to write 25 kilometers as meters, I have moved the decimal place 1. Now I have to add zeros. Twice, 3 times. So 25 kilometers is equal to 25,000. Meters. Now I can go the other way. So for example, if I were converting from meters to kilometers, let's say I had 30,000 meters, and I want to know how many kilometers that was. I start at meters and I move to the kilometers, kilometers, and that's 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So I'd have to, my decimal point would be here. I think of it as moving it 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So 30,000 meters is 30 kilometers. Let's take a look at another problem. Let's go the other way here. So let's say I had 2 kilometers. And I wanted to write millimeters. That would be kind of a big one. 2 kilometers to millimeters. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. So 2, the decimal point would be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be 2 million millimeters. Finally, if we had, we don't seem to have our meters, grams, and liters here. Let's say I had a milliliter. I had 40 milliliters. And I wanted to write that as liters. Liters would be here, the basic unit of liquid, a liter. So I'm moving the decimal the other direction. 1, 2, 3. So I'd write my 40 out. The decimal's here. So 1, 2, I have to add a 0. 3. Now it's proper to write a 0 in the ones place, so that would be, and I don't need this one here, so it would be 4 hundredths liter. Let me rewrite that. remember this 0 here is just sort of obsolete. 4 hundredths of a liter. 40 milliliters equals 4 hundredths of a liter.